Alright, so here's a quick look at the cheapest wet shot add-on I've ever seen. So these are cheap on eBay. You can find them for like 50 bucks. And then this is just a fuel oil like solenoid. It's rated for AC or DC, I believe. I'm not sure, I didn't really, but it was like 10 bucks. So think about your nitrous fuel solenoid costing $10. It's never gonna happen. And if it catches on fire, which I doubt it will, the only fuel it's got to burn is to my regulator, so big deal. This little kit here comes with jets and all this stuff, which this stuff that I'm talking about here is pretty nice. It's got a screen in it for the fuel part, and it screws right into that valve. And then I've got a special T-fitting, which has a 1/4-inch threaded end on the top of the T part, so it's like this, and that part is actually 1/4-inch threaded, and then the other two parts are barb fittings for a 3/8 fuel line, like hose. And you just look up the jets required for a certain horsepower and your specific PSI, which you will need to know the PSI, like exactly like with the fuel pressure gauge. So then you're not really talking about the cheapest thing ever, because those are expensive. But yeah, and you can see this has 40 holes. It's not the best quality. I know how to do machine work, and they did not spend a lot of time on this. Like, I could feel where they probably did this on the CNC, because I know that they sell a lot of them, and they just threw together like a quick program for facing that off. But yeah, the jets are nice to have, definitely. Sucks they don't have a 50 thousandths, but yeah, this is gonna go on the truck for sure. Definitely gonna pick up a lot of power by getting the nitrous and fuel distributed to each cylinder. And then I tuned my carburetor with the right power mode springs, step-up springs, whatever you call it, metering springs. And oh my God, it's gonna be great. So.